Hi guys, today we are filming in a different spot in my house. You guys know I love changing it up, so thumbs up if you love this background. It is a very windy day today. A massive thunderstorm rolled in last night and we had hail. It was a lot, but it was also soothing at the same time. And today we have the product of super high winds, but I wanted you guys to kind of see a serene background and see like springtime, you know what I'm saying? Especially because this whole haul is like the epitome of spring, okay? Also, before we get into it, I want to tell you guys that normally I do a Dollar Tree haul on Saturday, and if you can tell by the subject of this video, it is not a Dollar Tree haul video. However, I decided to go ahead and put this in today's video in place of Dollar Tree because it's kind of the same thing. It's all from the 99-cent only store. However, let's talk about that for one quick second. It is not 99 cents. Everything, almost everything that I checked out was $1. It was not 99 cents. The other thing is I have a couple of items that were like $1.99, $2.99, and that's really odd to me because the store's name is called 99-cent only. Well, that's not true 99-cent only store. That is false marketing, false advertising, because it is not only 99 cents. It's a bunch of other freaking prices. So that really confused me. I don't shop at the store very often, but I have to say, the one thing I do have to say about this haul is it blows a lot of Dollar Tree items out of the park. Like, I'm speechless. I do not know what it is about these bows, but just holding them up, don't they look beautiful? They're just the most beautiful colors. I've never seen these at Dollar Tree. I've seen this bow style before. They have these in packs of 3s, 2s, which are medium size, and then 1s, which are going to be your larger ones. And I really liked the pack of 3s, these little minis, and I've never seen these at Dollar Tree in these colors. These were all each $1. They were not 99 cents. They were $1, but they're beautiful nonetheless. I've never seen white. They even had white in the larger size, and these are gonna be great, you guys, for spring DIYs, wreaths, gift toppers, card making, friend mail. These are gonna be great for so many different projects, and I got every single color they had. I swear this house is gonna just fly up in the sky. I'm gonna see the Wicked Witch. Dun, 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 like her bicycle is gonna be. All right, so I got these plywood boards. They come in a pack of 3s. I've never seen anything like this at Dollar Tree. This just has the biggest potential for a ton of DIYs. I don't know if you can tell, but there are 3 in there, and they're actually pretty thick. They're pretty thick, and these, again, like I said, are gonna be great for DIYs. I am gonna be doing something with these. I haven't quite figured out yet, but I knew as soon as I saw them, these were gonna be great for that, and it came out to $1 as well. Literally nothing in this was 99 cents. The store, I have to say, when I walked through the 99-cent only store, it was heavenly. It's like, you know, for us ladies who love the Dollar Tree and we love Target Dollar Spot, and we love things being a damn dollar, this store was a dream. There was just, the store I went to was massive. It was beautiful. They also have food, and it just, Anyway, my whole point is they had a ton of stuff for planners, but at that point my cart was so full that I was a little overwhelmed. So I think I'm gonna be going back and giving the planner stuff a good sweep. But this was the one thing that I picked out. I really like it. It reminds me of Golden Girls, but it also has like a very trendy vibe to it with the marble. Like, look at this sticker flag set. It is black marble. I've never seen anything like this before, and it came out to $1. I'm really excited about this next item, but look how beautiful this is. Like, can you just see spring in this or what? This is a drying mat, and I use it just for that. I'm sure there's a lot of DIY potential in this as well. You could definitely use this to like make like small pillow covers, you know, throw little decorative pillows on your bed if this matches like your vibe, or just anywhere that you would put a pillow. This would be really great for that. And again, lots of DIY options, but I really did get this for a drying mat. I hand wash a lot of my pots and pans because they can't go in the dishwasher, and this was also $1. Actually, here's one more thing, like planner related, like office supplies related, but I got this little cute notebook. They had a ton of different prints, but this one was my favorite. I'm not so sure about the color of the string. I felt like if they went with white, it would have been everything, but I can just snip it off. I don't have to have this little string to, you know, hold a notebook together. So as you can see, I could just take some scissors and clip that off. But otherwise, I think that the cover is really special, and when you shop at Dollar Tree all the time, it's so nice to go to a different store that has the comparable price and find a ton of new things, ton of new patterns. So I don't know if you can tell, but I'm really excited about this haul, and this is really pretty. I really like this little notebook, and I use so many notebooks, you have no idea. All right, these next items are so interesting. Again, it makes me so happy because I've never in my life seen anything like this at Dollar Tree. What? How cute. I have to say, everything about it is perfection. Look, look. Are you okay? I hope you have a 99-cent only store in your area. I love that they went with the white frame, the white ribbon. It's gonna be really complimentary to a lot of different decor styles. It's a little shadow box that they filled with sequins, and it says Hello Spring. And I don't know, just let's go Dollar Tree. Do you see what your competitors are doing here? They had another style and I didn't pick them all up. I picked up the ones I liked. Here is this one, very Easter, whereas this one's spring, so it can stay around all year, you know, for springtime. And this one's just Easter because it even says Happy Easter on here. And they have these little, can you hear that? Oh, it's so gentle. That's ASMR if I've ever heard it. I love the background print, and then the little ribbon is a mint green. I don't know if you can see that. I went in the party section. Again, I was a little overwhelmed by the time I got to the planner in the party section, but I saw these and I fell in love. These were also $1. Those shadow boxes were $1 as well. I'm trying to tell you guys the prices because there are gonna be a couple things that are not $1 and I'll let you know. But I love these little burlap bows, and I got these for my daughter's graduation party. Her display tables with like her high school and stuff is gonna have like a burlap feel to it, and I thought this would just be very complimentary to the display, and I get 2 for $1. I would have gotten more, but they didn't have any others that had the little pearl center. They had other ones that had a button center, but I really liked the pearls. Now we're kind of getting down into more of like the Easter spring stuff, and it just is stellar. And I found these cute little bows, these little bow ties, and they are on what looks to be like an alligator clip. It's kind of hard to see back in there. And I picked up this little blue jean looking one and a little Blackingham one. Of course, it's intended to be a bow tie, but I'm gonna use this as some sort of spring decor. I picked up some jump rope. I wanted to do a DIY with this, and I knew Dollar Tree used to sell this, but my Dollar Tree has not been putting these out. So I just keep going back and seeing if they're stocking them, and I've never seen them. So I saw it at 99-cent store, picked one up, and it was also $1. This is something I haven't seen at Dollar Tree either. This is kind of turning into a comparison video, but they have these little Easter eggs that light up. As you can see, here's the little battery box. Looks like it takes 2 AA batteries. This is by far so much better than the ones at Dollar Tree. I love the little Easter egg picks. It's just really pretty. I love the glitter. It just looks a lot more expensive than $1. So many DIYs you could do with this. These would look really beautiful in a wreath or even in like a mason jar. Look at these. Never have I seen anything like this at Dollar Tree as well. But they have carrot picks, just like these, a little bit shorter. I don't know if you can see that they're mounted to the little stick there, and you get 6 carrots that are dusted in glitter. I picked up one gift bag for spring. Look how cute. It's a little pop-up Really pretty. Again, I don't know, because I shop at Dollar Tree so often, I can look at things that come from other stores and I can just tell that it's either something Dollar Tree would have or nothing like Dollar Tree would have. And this is just not a bag that I think Dollar Tree would ever put out. All right, how cute are these little signs? So Farmhouse, the work is already done for you guys. You know, you really don't have to take this apart and redo it, although you could if you wanted to, if you're doing something very specific. But if you're just not that handy into DIYs, this is gonna be perfect for you because it looks old, it looks aged, and the bunny's really cute. There's already words on there, and all you have to do is place it wherever you like it. They had other colors as well. They had a pink, but I forgot why I didn't get the pink. I think it was because it was messed up and there was like only one left, and I got the purple and the mint green. I was kind of hoping Dollar Tree was gonna put out something like this, and I've just never seen them do it this year so far. And they have them at the 99-cent only store. They even have the little straw detail, giving it that extra farmhouse touch, which just makes this so trendy and crazy that these were $1. And because if we traveled over to Hobby Lobby, you guys, these would not be $1. And while I love those little bunnies, when I saw this, I have to tell you, I thought that I was rolling through a desert, that I was hallucinating, and the simplicity. They added no glitter, they added no words. It's pure perfection. Baby pink trimmed in white, which just makes it pop all that much more. So complimentary to the white little fluffy tail. Really wide, so it's gonna sit really nicely and not flop over. Here is the lavender. There's hints of blue in there a little bit. So maybe turquoise, probably is what I'm trying to go for, but really beautiful color. And when you put all three of them together, they're just the most beautiful combination of spring colors. And I got one of these little bunnies, and this was not $1, it was $1.99. It's very light, and there's really nothing to it. This has a lot of DIY potential, so that's gonna be coming up in a spring DIY for you guys to see what I'm gonna do with him, so stay tuned for that. I just love his shape. He's just, the shape is everything that I was looking for my DIY. And again, if we rolled through Hobby Lobby, this would not be, I think it would have been well over $2. It probably would have been in the $4 or $5 range. So while I wanted to spend 99 cents, not $1, but 99 cents, I am concerned about that 1 penny, but $1.99 being $2. All right, now this bunny, do you see how farmhouse he looks? He's just he's not perfect. He's got little like white, unfinished spots, and he's just very farmhouse. But he was also $1.99, which was really shocking. I kind of expected him to be more than this bunny. But again, if you just are one of those where you're just not into DIYs, but you like getting cheaper decor, this is gonna be perfect for like a farmhouse look if that's what you're going for, or just any look. You could tie like a little ribbon around his neck to match whatever your decor you have going on, and you're good to go. Haven't we all seen these mason jars just everywhere? Anytime I've ever seen them, I'm like, I don't even want to attempt that DIY on a Dollar Tree mason jar, just because, I don't know, I've always been off-put by trying to do it, by adding the silhouette and then removing the, it's just, I've never wanted to do it, and I'm so glad I didn't have to because these were each $1. So even if I attempted my own DIY, it probably would have cost $3 more for each jar, and I didn't have to do that. These were already done. I love the colors. They did have a bright yellow, but I wanted it to be more of a pastel yellow, so I didn't pick it up. What? Look how beautiful. I just even love seeing these with like the background of like outside. They're just so pretty. But look at these cute little figurines. These were each $1. Again, just doing that comparison that I can't help but to do. I don't think we would find anything like this at Dollar Tree. These are really special, you guys. And all the work is done. Like, you just don't have to DIY these. You could just set these out and you're good to go. They gave us a baby blue, a lavender. This is the yellow I was hoping for those mason jars, and they didn't have it. and then this blush pink, and even their little ears have the same color as the egg. That is perfection, and these were each $1. This is again another item I just don't think we would see at Dollar Tree. And spring, hello, you could do hello spring, and these were $1.99 each, so they were not $1, but I don't mind paying that because again, if we went then to Hobby Lobby, these would be well more than $2. They're already painted. I love the combo. I think when I do think of spring, pink and green are the colors that stand out most to me. So I really love the color that the color that they chose for these signs, and the work is done. You just set them up where you want them. You could keep them separate, you could put them together to say hello spring. These would also be great for a wreath. You're gonna have to need a really big wreath, a sturdy wreath to hold the weight of these, but you could definitely do that. And this is crazy. Like, I don't know what to say, but this is crazy. What? All right, here's another item. I have to just say it. As much as I love Dollar Tree, and I'll always love Dollar Tree, I just don't think that we would ever stroll in there and find anything like this. This is $1 at the 99-cent only store. It's beautiful. If you're not into DIYs, yet again, you're pretty solid. Like, these are just great by themselves, but if you are into DIYs, I'm sure you're seeing a lot of potential in these, just like I am. But the simplicity of how pretty they are, with the little white pot, it's fake, obviously, and a little fake turf-looking grass. I can't believe these were $1. I just can't. You guys, this is so pretty. I can't believe I found this at the 99-cent only store. However, it was $1.99, but even then, I'm thinking that's such a great steal. It really is. They also came in white, and they also had like ceramic pots that you could put in here if you wanted to like plant flowers and put this in your garden. The pot was obviously separate, and I didn't really want that, or at least, maybe I do. Well, that's okay, because I'm not mad about going back to that store, but I got this for my bedroom. The bedroom makeover is coming soon. I'm doing like a French country garden style, and just this feels like it would be completely perfect in there. Even look at the seat, it's a little leaf. What? You guys. A white metal greenhouse. I love this. This was $2.99. So this was my most expensive item, so this came out to $3. But if you were to DIY this using Dollar Tree picture frames, it's gonna cost you well over $5, because each frame is gonna be $1, and you're gonna need each frame to, you know, complete, you know, the sides and the tops. So the fact that I paid $3 for this, and it comes with this, and it comes with the little latch. You can open this, you can open the lid, it has the hinges. Like, I'm glad I didn't have to DIY this myself. I found it for $3. Like, that's just nuts. And I think this is also gonna go in my bedroom. We'll see, we'll see. And that's it, you guys, for my 99-cent only haul. Let me know what your thoughts are. I just feel like looking at this compared to what we've been seeing at Dollar Tree, while I have obviously loved everything that I've been finding at Dollar Tree, like the wall decor, that's just been stunning, but it's just so wonderful. It's so wonderful to have both of these stores now to shop at, and I'm really excited about this haul. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Please give it a thumbs up. Again, let me know what your favorite item is from this entire haul. I have to say mine is probably the little greenhouse. Stay tuned for all the DIYs that I'm gonna be doing for spring, and for all the other ones that you haven't watched and you wanna get caught up, I'll link them down below for you. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you all have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.